Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin streusel muffins. Obviously they're pumpkin muffins with a streusel topping, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the egg and brown sugar and beat them together with a whisk until they become lighter in color. And then while whisking, slowly add in the melted butter and continue whisking until it's well combined. Then add in the pumpkin puree and whisk it in until it's combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them in until they're just combined. Then to make the streusel topping, in a medium bowl, add the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, water, and cold butter that has been cubed. Mix them with a spoon at first. And then use your fingers to rub the butter into the flour mixture. You don't want to rub it in until it's really fine. You want big chunks as well. Grease a muffin pan with non-stick cooking spray. Scoop in some of the pumpkin batter, filling them up about 3/4 of the way. Grease the top and push them down if you need to. And then fill it all the way to the top with the streusel topping. And then bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it turns a light golden brown color on top. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make pumpkin streusel muffins. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.